Alright, I'm out of breath. Been coming up this hill, way out in the middle of the woods. I detect up the side of these hills. Found real old stuff here, and it's usually just, if it's a silver coin, something about the sides of these hills and the soil where I live, they look like they were dropped yesterday. I got a nice hit here. I'll let you listen to it. I'm gonna get it out of there and see what it is. It's a pretty nice solid hit for in the middle of the woods. I'll show you when I get it out and pinpoint it later. All right, I got it out. It's giving off a little better reading, but it's a shotgun shell. It's got unique grooves around it. Found many different kinds of these in the woods. It's an old paper one. It's pretty old. Later. Alright, I'm metal detecting gas line right-of-ways today up in hilltops along the Ohio River. And I had a hit here. I thought it might be a bullet. See, it's kind of jumping all over the place. Where'd it go? Right here, I got a musket ball. See, it's been fired, but man, it's in nice shape. You can see on the nipple there where it's been cut off. It's an old one. Yep, first find of the day. I just got here. Hopefully I can find some more real old stuff. This is old. There's a real old town below me, so this ought to be good. Later. Alright, minutes after I found the musket ball, got a hit in here. It was all over the place, but in the middle of the woods, I dig about everything that's not probably a nail. You know, it's not even hitting now. There we go. Well, anyway, I can see it. It's right here. It's an old horseshoe. Half of one. It's an old one. That's a good sign. A musket ball and a horseshoe. Right off the bat. Well, anyway, later. Alright, man, I walked up. Well, I'm on a good spot now. I just got another fire bullet, and it's just minutes from my last find. See, I'm out in the middle of it, right on a point above an old town, and there's just targets everywhere. I'll be able to detect here. There's just 100 acres of land here in the middle of the woods. It's just untouched too, I can tell. But anyway, right here. .66 to .69 repeating, and I already pinpointed it. It's right here. It's an old fired bullet. Right there's the back side of it, and it was deep, and it's got that white patine on it. It's been there a long time. Get it cleaned up later. All right, I'm still out in the woods. I got a nice hit here. It's deep and it's ringing up like a bullet. I will get it out of the ground, pinpoint it, and show you what it is. Hopefully it's a big musket ball or something. Later. Alright, that's what it was. It was a shotgun shell, an old paper one. Been finding them all day. Eventually I'll luck onto something awesome. Later. Wow, I just found something cool up on this hill. It was ringing up. I'll show you here. Man, it's an awesome shotgun shell. It's a real old one with a design on it. So you see, like a solid 58, 59, a different tone than the other ones. And look at this. It has like a star around it, and it says something in Co. I'll get it cleaned up. It's really cool. Has a star on it. It's some kind of different metal. It's a real old one. Hopefully I can find some more different ones. That's awesome. Later. I'll show real nice pictures so you can see what all it says. That has to be rare. Later. All right, I'm back like 3 steps. Well, right there's where I dug that shotgun shell. Another step. Right there's where I got it, right where my shovel's at. Right here, a nice hit. That's nice for in the woods. I'm gonna get it out and I'll pinpoint it and I'll see what we got. That sounds like something good. Later. All right, I'm way out in the woods. Down there's the river. You can see it, but I got a knife. Looks like it has a bone handle. Yeah, it looks old. It's been in the ground a long time. It's a big one. Well, anyway, later. All right, I'm back home. You can look. This is the shotgun shells I found today. All of these. But the one I found with the star on it, I got it cleaned up. It's actually pretty rare and it's old. It's pre-1900, probably 1880s. And a lot of these were different signals. So they're all different types. Not all of them. Some of them are the same. But here's one that says Peters on it. And it says HV dot and it says made in the USA. And look at the design on the side of it crimped in. And it's like, it looks like brass. So I'm going to get these cleaned up and take good pictures. I have like a small Riker display case full of these already, like of all different types. And look at this one. Here's a real weird one. It's got like a nipple on the back of it. Got lots of them. I'll get some pictures later.